Jack. Let's go. Hey, throw Jack. Ready? You recording?
Yeah.
Recording.
That was not as funny. That's not true. Jump off the shoulders.
That would be great.
Jump on my shoulders and somebody can hold him. I don't care if he jumps on my shoulders.
Okay. Somebody else. Do a front flip.
I'm going to later.
Do it.
Do it now while I have it recording.
While she's still recording.
Ready, go!
Bam! Okay, somebody tell me.
Go, David, go!
Go! Hey, Jack, I'll get in with you. Finish. Jump! Alright, look out.
He didn't even really go in.
Even that's the way you can stand. Yeah, the ground like things really it does. That really felt weird.
I want to do twist flip.
Wait.
What's that?
Show him.
Flip?
Show him. Show me. I want to do a backflip. I'd fail. With your luck, you'd die. Alright, David.
I don't know how deep is this.
It's like...
It's
So I can flip and land?
It's deeper than our pool.
Really?
Yes.
It is?
Not our pool at Dad. It's our pool at the park.
The 5 foot. 5 foot or 4 foot?
Well, you jump in the 4 foot, though.
I can stand up. It's not 5.
It's like...
Are you recording?
yeah, I've been recording.
See? That feels weird, doesn't it? It feels good, kid. My turn to flip. Let's dive in.
Okay, everybody dive in at once.
Everybody dive in. Ready?
Dive in?
Yeah, I'm diving. Ready?
I'm not diving, but I'll flip. Diving. I'm not diving. I'll dive.
Funny if they jumped on top of each
other.
I know, I was just thinking that.
Here we go.
They're all wearing shorts because you like see all their dicks.
Go! Holy crap, that was cool. Something's touching me. Oh my god, it feels so weird.
Any other flips you want me to do?
Backflip!
Don't die.
That was so cold.
No way. My farther out is freezing.
And go.
We need to find a fishing.
And go. And action. And go.
Hold up, I'm catching my...
You know, if you were in a movie, you would be fired.
What?
You would be fired if you were in a movie. Oh my god, he's gonna do it. Wait, James and David should switch. That way it's like AT&T bars.
Okay, we're advertising.
We gotta go 18. More places. Ready? AT&T. More bars and more places.
Oh, shit. I think James like landed. Did you land on your head?
I felt like 3 feet. It was up to my knees. And I was like,
Oh my god! Look at that fish! Save it! Save it! Put it back in the water! Put it back in the water!
I got it.
Oh my god! No! Put it back in the water! You're not gonna kill it!
We caught a fish.
Do a backflip with them.
Oh my god!
That's the best.
Put it back. It's like the same.
We're supposed to get all fish out except for certain kinds.
Yeah, well, we don't have a bucket to take it away now, do we? Put it back in the water before he dies. He's just a baby.
How do you know? He's fine.
Put him in the water. Let him live. Let him freaking live.
He's so cute. We did a backflip and caught a fish.
It's like, oh my god!
That's the new world.
Fisher.
Put him back in the water.
This is a new type of fishing. It's called flip fishing. Swim, bitch.